Today I'd like to share a common issue in the hydraulic field, how to deal with loud noise from hydraulic oil pumps. First, let's talk about one of the common causes. In many cases, the loud noise from a hydraulic oil pump may be due to air being drawn into the pump. This problem is relatively common, especially with newly installed oil pumps. So how to solve this problem? First, reduce the working pressure to an appropriate range, then start the hydraulic cylinder. Next, during the reciprocating movement of the piston, carefully check whether the machine's vibration and crawling, uneven movement are severe. When the piston reaches the alternating position, seal the air discharge port with gauze and open the exhaust valve at the same time. This way, you can complete the exhaust process and alleviate the loud noise from the oil pump.